Hi guys, welcome to Xperia Tips. I'm Dom, and today we're going to get serious with the Cinema Pro app on the Xperia 1. Now, when I say serious, I don't mean serious. I mean, this is a serious piece of kit that allows you to film cinema quality footage on your smartphone, edit it together, and also share it with the world in just a few taps. This is based on the Sony Venice camera, the same camera that James Cameron, you know, James Cameron, the Oscar-winning director of Avatar, Titanic and Terminator 2, that James Cameron? Yeah, the same camera that he's using in the next 2 Avatar films. And the fact that you can carry around this piece of tech that can capture cinema quality motion picture and you get to carry around in your pocket is insane. In fact, you know what? Let's film on the Xperia 1 so you get to see the quality. But first, let's have a look at the user interface. So, down here you've got handy information like your time codes, your memory available, and also how much battery you got left as well. You've also got how your film will look in 16:9 widescreen thanks to these lines here, but don't worry, you can get rid of them if you wanted to, they're just a guide. Now, over on this side, you've got access to your resolution, your frames per second, and also your look color grading. And that's really cool, we'll have a look at that in a minute. But below that, you've got full access to your manual camera settings, such as ISO, white balance, and your shutter speed. Now, all of these things here will help you as a budding filmmaker tell your story better. I mean, what if you want to film an action shot? Or perhaps a horror story. In fact, you have 8 different looks you can go for, including what's known as shooting flat, so that you can adjust the colour grading in your chosen editing software. And, speaking of editing, the Cinema Pro app has even got a basic editor built into it, so you can see how your scene is coming together whilst you're shooting. Now, to be fair, I could spend hours going through all the different variables on this camera app, but to be honest, the best thing for you to do is just to try it. If you're a beginner, an amateur, or a professional, the Xperia 1 can really help you tell your story and maybe even get you onto the big screen one day. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Xperia tips.